Did you know there's a dog that doesn't bark at all? Meet the Basenji, one of the oldest dog breeds in the world, straight from Central Africa. This dog is like a ninja, fast, quiet, and super smart. But here's the crazy part. Basenjis don't bark like other dogs. Instead, they make a weird sound called a yodel. Yup, it's not woof woof, it's more like barooo. People used Basenjis for hunting long ago because they're silent and sneaky. Even today, they clean themselves like cats and hate getting wet. So, if you ever meet a dog that looks like a fox and sings like a goat, that's probably a Basenji. Now you know, not all dogs bark. Some sing.